Hello, I'm Anda Sharma, Artistic Director at Meadow Arts. This project, Monument to the Vanquished, which looks at access and ownership to the British landscape, has seen us working with artist Leah Gordon and writer-researcher Annabel Edwards for over 2 years now. Leah and Annabel's approach has been to explore the historic events of land enclosures. This process had massive consequences, and Leah and Annabel show how what started in the 16th century still impacts the landscape and its access today. The first phase of the project was called Commoners, and it resulted in a series of amazing portraits of people who live on common land today, primarily in Shropshire. The second phase, presented here at Shrewsbury Museum and our gallery, is Rural Rebels, and it looks at the history of protest against enclosures and other loss of rights. The exhibition shows new montages by Leah Gordon, and they are accompanied by texts written by Annabel Edwards. And the exhibition also shows items from the museum's own collection. At the center of the works is a 1525 unrealized sketch by Renaissance artist Albrecht Dürer, Monument to the Vanquished Peasants. And that's the work that gives its name to the whole project.